what I'm talking about. You're skipping now, baby. Yeah, you're mean, you're tough. Yesterday, I got an email from a viewer and they asked a great question. They asked, I can do double unders and crisscrosses quite well, but I can't seem to do double under crisscrosses no matter how much I try or no matter how high I jump. Even if I jump really high and bend my legs a lot or do donkey kicks, I still can't complete this move. I know it's a challenging move, but I wonder why I'm struggling so much since I can do double unders and crisscrosses separately. I'm beginning to feel like I'll never nail this move. So this is a great question. Firstly, Jay, you're not alone. The double under crisscross is a very advanced jump rope move and is probably one of the hardest and most challenging moves for jump ropers to learn. In the not too distant future, I'll make a bunch of detailed tutorial videos on how to do all sorts of crisscross jump rope moves. For now, I'm going to show you 3 short clips of me performing the double under crisscross, including one clip where I do it on just one leg. And the point of these clips is to illustrate the importance of one key thing when it comes to doing double under crisscrosses, and that's timing. Technique is also important, but in this short video, I want to focus on timing. Okay, so before I show these clips, what exactly is a double under crisscross? Basically, it's where you jump and then you cross the rope and uncross the rope before you land on the ground. It's called the double under crisscross because the rope makes 2 rotations under your feet as you cross and uncross the rope. Take a look at this clip. Here, I complete the double under crisscross from a standstill position. So I have no momentum, and the point here is to show that jump height is not everything. Rather, timing is really crucial. And here's the double under crisscross being done after some regular bounces. A lot of people, they have to do a double under before attempting the double under crisscross in order to gain some speed and momentum. But if your timing is good, it's not necessary to do a double under before you attempt the double under crisscross. You can simply do some regular bounces and go right into a double under crisscross. And here I demonstrate a double under crisscross on just one leg. Now this is highly advanced. But again, if your timing is good and you have good crisscross technique, you can definitely accomplish this. Okay, so now that we've looked at these 3 clips, let's take a closer look at something. Here, in this slower motion clip, I want you to notice when I jump off the ground. Let's see that again. Did you notice that I don't jump off the ground until I have begun crossing my arms? That's really key when you're trying to do a double under crisscross. You want to begin crossing your arms before you jump off the ground. So, as the rope is going over your head, you bring your arms across your body, and just when they cross, that's when you jump. And doing this makes it much easier to nail the sought-after double under crisscross. Too many people make the mistake of jumping far too soon. That is, before they begin crossing their arms. And as a result, the rope hits their legs or feet on the first or second rotation of the rope. So it's really important to wait until you initiate the crossing of the arms before you jump. Like with a lot of things in life, timing is really important when you jump rope, especially when you try to do advanced jump rope moves like the double under crisscross. If you jump too soon or too early, it's going to be really difficult to complete this move. Alright, so Jay and others in a similar position, try this tip. I really think it will help. Now, it might take a little bit of practice and patience, but you'll definitely get there. Thanks for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful.